I created an assembler simulation with Codesys and factory I/O. The conveyor belt carries the lid until it reaches the gantry. A sensor detects the lid and activates the clamp. The gantry grabs the lid, moving along the X and Z axes. A second conveyor belt carries the bases until they reach a sensor, and then a second clamp is activated. When the gantry places the lid onto the base, the assembled piece is released from the clamp, and the conveyor belt transports it forward. I also created a box sorting simulation based on the box height. A main conveyor line feeds boxes of different heights into the transfer zone. The height sensor is placed right before the box reaches the transfer zone, and another sensor detects when the box is loaded onto the platform. If a small box is detected, the transfer conveyor activates to the left. However, if the box is tall, it moves to the right instead. In conclusion, Factory I/O is a powerful tool for simulating industrial environments by implementing real control software without the need for actual hardware. It works with Codesys, TIA Portal, Rockwell Studio 5000, and communication protocols such as Modbus and OPC UA.